Double-hung window installation in Sugarland, TX, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetics and functionality. With a variety of double-hung window styles available, residents can select from vinyl double-hung windows or wood double-hung windows to match their home's design. Double-hung window contractors in Sugarland offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient double-hung windows in Sugarland are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows provide superior insulation, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Double-hung window efficiency is a key feature that attracts many homeowners in Sugarland, TX, seeking to upgrade their homes. Custom double-hung windows in Sugarland allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to fit specific needs and preferences. With a range of double-hung window options, including various double-hung window sizes and double-hung window materials, residents can create a unique look that enhances their home's curb appeal. Double-hung window experts in Sugarland are available to guide homeowners through the customization process. Affordable double-hung windows in Sugarland provide a cost-effective solution for those looking to replace or upgrade their existing windows. Double-hung window replacement in Sugarland is a service offered by many local contractors, ensuring that residents can find the best double-hung windows to fit their budget. Double-hung window solutions in Sugarland are designed to meet the needs of every homeowner. Double-hung window installation in Sugarland is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular double-hung window maintenance can prevent costly installations and extend the life of your windows. Double-hung window durability is a significant benefit, ensuring that your investment lasts for years to come. Double-hung window benefits in Sugarland include improved ventilation, easy cleaning, and enhanced security. These features make double-hung windows a popular choice among homeowners in Sugarland, TX. Double-hung window features such as tilt-in sashes and secure locking mechanisms provide added convenience and peace of mind. Double-hung window aesthetics in Sugarland are unmatched, offering a timeless look that complements any architectural style. With a variety of double-hung window designs available, homeowners can choose the perfect windows to enhance their home's exterior. Double-hung window brands in Sugarland offer high-quality products that ensure both beauty and functionality. Double-hung window upgrades in Sugarland can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency and overall value. By selecting energy-efficient double-hung windows, homeowners can enjoy reduced utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. Double-hung window insulation is a crucial factor in achieving these benefits. Double-hung window services in Sugarland, TX, are provided by experienced double-hung window contractors who specialize in installation and replacement. These professionals are equipped to handle all aspects of double-hung window projects, ensuring that homeowners receive the best possible results. Double-hung window experts in Sugarland are committed to delivering top-notch service and customer satisfaction. Double-hung window installation in Sugarland, TX, is a service that many homeowners seek to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our team of double-hung window experts in Sugarland provides top-notch double-hung window services, ensuring that every installation meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Whether you're looking for vinyl double-hung windows or wood double-hung windows, we have the perfect solution for your home. Energy-efficient double-hung windows in Sugarland are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our selection of energy-efficient double-hung windows offers superior insulation and durability, making them an excellent investment for any homeowner. With a variety of double-hung window styles and designs, you can find the perfect match for your home's aesthetic. Custom double-hung windows in Sugarland allow homeowners to personalize their window solutions to fit their unique needs and preferences. Our double-hung window contractors in Sugarland specialize in creating custom designs that enhance both the functionality and appearance of your home. From selecting the right double-hung window materials to choosing the ideal double-hung window sizes, we guide you through every step of the process. Double-hung window replacement in Sugarland is essential for maintaining the efficiency and appearance of your home. Our double-hung window replacement services in Sugarland ensure that your new windows are installed with precision and care. We offer a wide range of double-hung window brands and options to suit any budget and style preference. Affordable double-hung windows in Sugarland are within reach with our competitive pricing and financing options. We believe that every homeowner should have access to high-quality double-hung window solutions without breaking the bank. Our team is dedicated to providing affordable double-hung window upgrades that enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Double-hung window installation in Sugarland is a crucial service for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our skilled technicians are experienced in all aspects of double-hung window installation, from fixing minor issues to addressing more complex problems. With our double-hung window maintenance services, you can ensure that your windows remain in top condition for years to come. Vinyl double-hung windows in Sugarland are a popular choice for their low maintenance and durability. These windows offer excellent insulation and are available in a variety of styles and colors to complement any home design. Our double-hung window experts in Sugarland can help you select the best vinyl double-hung windows for your needs. Wood double-hung windows in Sugarland provide a classic and timeless look that enhances the beauty of any home. Our selection of wood double-hung windows offers superior craftsmanship and energy efficiency, making them a smart choice for homeowners who value both aesthetics and performance. Trust our double-hung window contractors in Sugarland to deliver exceptional wood double-hung window solutions.